Rohingya Forum. I am messaging this to Dr. Wakaruddin and Mr. Nurislam and also Tunkin. I message Baharaditti, Dr. Wakaruddin lere, Mr. Nurislam lere, Tunkin ditti. Now you all have to turn good as with my talking. If you don't, you will be written down with a black pen in the history. So as a family, Twara Nogorile, Hala Holomleare, history mother, Lakazabu, and Twara family. Now also do not do business with Rohingya. Twara business no go job Rohingya Fati. All of you should calm down with it. Akatwara tu lamizafuribo hinotu. And don't do it. We have a leader. Twara tu leader banana furibo aratu leader asa and hitan namulde Abu Ammar Jununi hita arkan state mother asa hon. We Arabe accept Guridi. We only accept him. And other leader are not going to be our leader except him. Our leader, our Honika leader ana faribo bana Abu Ammar be faribo de. Other countries who are doing bad stuff should stop right now. All Rohingya should support Abu Ammar Jinuni, commander-in-chief. Era other country made bad stuff koride, hatara ham koride. Hin koride. Hin ato ohan stop kara furibo. Ohan stop kara furibo. Eka all Rohingya to Abu Ammar to support kara furibo. He will be the only leader in Arakan state. He is a arar uggal leader taibo de. Arhonika arar leader no taibo. Inshallah, I will stop now. I will do a next one in a video. Thank you. Inshallah, I will stop kuriflayum. I arugga gajum. Arugga next video mada arugga gajum. Shukriya. My country is Arakan, so was my family. Assalamu alaikum.